Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to give you information, especially who got an overseas license and they're going to attempt to the test in Vic Road. So first thing is, driving test is different than your normal driving. Because when you're driving normal, you follow your own instruction. You're using the navigator, you know the way. But when you go for the driving test, you need to follow your driving testing officer, whatever instruction is given by him or her. So when we go for driving test, first thing, someone looking us what we doing. That's why we having stress and we are panic. That's a human nature. But other thing is, when we go for driving test, every different country, they have their own design for the driving test. Even in Australia, every state, they have some different things. So I'm going to talk to you about the Vic Road driving test in Victoria. So in Victoria, driving test made in 2 stages, stage 1 and stage 2. So before starting your actual driving test, they will do the pre-drive check. In pre-drive check, you need to know the function of the cars. You need to know how to operate the indicators, washer and wipers, your hazard lights, and you need to know where's your handbrake, gear stick, demisters are, where's your horn. So when you done your pre-drive check, after that, in stage 1, normally you need to drive in less traffic, residential area, simple instructions, turning left, turning right from the next street, roundabout, take first exit, going straight, third exit, do U-turn, and you need to know reverse parallel parking and 3-point turn. So there are 2 maneuvers, reverse parallel parking and 3-point turn. So they will ask you to perform one thing, but you need to know both of them because you're not sure what they're gonna ask you during your driving test. So when you do this one, after that they will ask you to pull over your car to mark your score for your stage 1. So you need to know how to pull over your car too. So when you pull over your car, don't pull over someone's driveway, not in no stopping zone, not on a bus stop zone. So these are the things you need to know. So after calculate your score, if you're good enough, then they will ask you to proceed to stage 2. So in stage 2 is more busy traffic, and they will ask you to do the lane changes. So they can ask you lane changes in less traffic, when is more cars around you. So for the lane changes, they will say, when safe, move into left lane, when safe, move into the right lane. So for the lane changes, make sure don't rush. They will ask you when is safe. If not safe, you must need to give a signal. After that, if you don't find the safe gap and no one giving you the way, no one slowing down for you, so do not rush until you find the safe gap. Other thing is, when we do lane changes, some of learner, they keep looking the cars here, there, and they don't give their signals. If you don't give your signal, other road user, they don't know your intention. So check the central mirror and give your signal if it moving to the left or moving to the right. So give your signal, then other will give you opportunity. When they see your signals, then they know this person wants to come into right lane, left lane. After that, if they slow down, most of the cases when you give signal, other road user, they slow down, they will give you way. So you must need to give your signal. Don't wait to give the signal. If not safe, then you keep going. And plus, Do not do any lane changes with the strong line. So we not do lane changes when a strong line comes. Any traffic signal, when you cross the traffic signal, then you do lane changes. So while you do lane changes, traffic signal comes. So before traffic signal, there is a solid line start. So if you can do your lane change before that solid line, is it okay? If no, then cross your traffic signal, then you do the lane changes. So that's the way design Vic Road driving test. So if you come from overseas license, make sure you go with their website, take some lesson from the instructor, familiar with the driving test. I hope it helped you. And for more useful video, how to do 3-point turn, reverse parallel parking, some of the full mock tests, you can check my others video. Bye for now. Thank you.